Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday. My kids are finally at school, which means I get to go shop in peace and get back to a routine. I'm very excited for the routine. We've really enjoyed the holidays, but we need some normalcy, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to get our week of groceries, including starting to pack lunches again. That was a nice little break, but we're going to get into the store. I'm going to Meijer after this, so I guess it's stores. See what I get, and at the end, I'll share with you my meal plan, and all recipes I mentioned will be linked below. My daughter Elsie has mentioned these lately. I thought it'd be a fun back-to-school snack when they come home today. $3.60. I need white pita, $2.99 for lunches. White bread, 95 cents. Blueberries have been a really great addition to lunches and meals, so I'm gonna get 2 of these at $2.49. Also gonna get red grapes, $1.79 a pound. They're very firm. I'm gonna get cauliflower, it looks so good. $2.99 for the head. Brussels sprouts for a side, $2.59. I'm getting a cucumber for lunches. I don't know, they're kind of soft. 69 cents, that one feels good. Gallon of 2% milk, $2.78. Gonna grab onions behind you, sorry.
Sure, they're fine.
Alright, thank you. $1.59 for onion. I've never seen this before. Not my favorite idea, or not my idea of a good combo, but interesting. $5. Roasted potatoes, $4.39. I need lots of taters this week. Getting a couple avocados, 79 cents a piece. My husband asked for raspberry jam for PB&J's, $3.29. We also need ketchup, $1.75. Organic apple cider vinegar. Oh, wow. I guess that's probably normal. I just didn't expect to see it. Interesting. Okay, $4.99. Pub pretzels for lunches, $1.99. Apple juice mixes, $2.99. This is interesting. They have a washable rug like ruggables. We have a lot of them here in store. They also have different workout equipment. Snow scrapers. Lots of organizing items. Great for refrigerators, cabinets. These are cute. Lots of laundry stuff. Utility tray, trash cans, step stools, charcoal toothpaste. The whole aisle looks refreshed. I need some more wax melts. This one smells really good. I'm gonna get that. It's very fresh, spring-like. $1.89. Storage ottoman, stool, big pet beds. The cabinet that comes in many iterations. Bags, planners. I think this stuff is kind of left over from weeks past. There's still so much Christmas clearance, but it's really not going much lower. It's just kind of hanging out where it's been for price. My daughter has actually borrowed my cream and wants one, so I'm gonna get her one for her face. But I'm also gonna get, so it's $3.89 for the face cream. I'm actually getting 3 of them, 2 for me, 1 for her. I use the night and the day cream. I'm just getting her a day cream. And then I'm gonna get her this exfoliating scrub for $3.99 too. Aldi finds Valentine's. I think these are super cute. This is interesting. You guys, I just put in my survey last week that I wanted green chilies to come to my Aldi, and look what are here. I can't believe it. I'm donating this week, but I'm gonna buy 2 just in support of them adding them. And then I have them in my cupboard. 78 cents each. One thing I need to get at Meijer, and I'm not surprised it's not here, is caraway seeds, so they don't have it. But I'm also getting 2 chicken gravy mixes if I can find 2. I just went through 4 boxes of the pork turkey chicken, and there's only 1 chicken gravy, so I'm getting 1. I'm getting beef stock at $1.65 for a roast this week. And then I need chicken broth for chicken and gravy, $1.29. No red chicken, no red sticker chicken to bless me to start the week, but I'm gonna get the smallest one I can find of the family pack since it's $2.49 a pound, $11.43. Okay, I'm making a roast. I guess I'm gonna get this one. I don't really make roasts very much, but I'm gonna do this one. And it's $11.98, $4.99 a pound. We have all the holiday meats still, taking over a couple cabinets here. Ham, turkeys, ducks, turkey burgers, stuffed chicken, cordon bleu, fries, chipotle, corn blend, lots of Bavarian pretzels. I love them, but I don't need more, so I'm gonna walk away. But they're good. There's pizzas, broccoli and green beans over there. More pizzas, some gluten-free egg rolls, meatball. Ooh. The gnocchi's on clearance. I'm gonna get another one of these even though we haven't finished our other bag. Oh wait, they have the other ones I used to like. Okay, I'm gonna get these. This is what I have. But it's $2.09. Into my new freezer. Even though I'm trying to use up stuff in my freezer, this is how it happens, guys. Lots of different vegetables, hot chicken fries. My son would love those, but I'm not putting that big box in my freezer. Lots of different frozen berries. Cheese pie, great cheese pie. Let's see, different mousses are on clearance. Okay, I need hummus for the pitas for lunch, $2.45. $4.49 for guacamole for my daughter to make avocado toast in the morning for breakfast. I'm getting lemon water for $3.85. I see that they have 7 of my favorite original waters, so I'm gonna get 7 of them at 78 cents a piece. Peas for 79 cents for a dinner side, and green beans, 87 cents. $1.95 for garlic toast. We're having spaghetti this week. Okay, this is the cutest Aldi find stuff. Bananas over you. It makes me wish I had a dog. Don't tell my kids, but look how cute they are. $4.99. They have all the Valentine lovey things over here. Pets and kids and towels, tablecloths, window clanks. Oh, they even have gnomes. I will not do it. I'm not gonna do it. Mats, candles. I'm surprised they don't have more Valentine's candy out. Probably a good thing. Still have lots of different leftover Christmas stuff. Okay, well, at the end, here's what I'm at. Any guesses on my total? Reminder, I'm trying to use a lot of things still from my freezer and fridge, and my new fridge that I just got yesterday is being stuffed with my old freezer, so I have work to do. Here's where I'm at. I'm not buying them, but they look good in the checkout line. Yummy. Okay, my grand total was $118.38. Yikes. I need a bunch of parsley, and that's $1.09, and then I need a bunch of mint, but it doesn't have a price here, so I'll update you. Making a salad. Well, the recipe I want is cabbage based, and I wanted to get Savoy cabbage, which I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna get red cabbage, and I'm gonna mix it with green cabbage that I already have at home. I and we'll make it work. This is $1.09 a pound. Dang it, I should have looked at prices before I bought chicken at Aldi. I knew I was coming here. Well, I guess it worked out good. I still got another gravy mix. It's 85 cents here, opposed to 59 cents, but at least I have more. My sister is dating a vegetarian, and they turned me on to vegetarian better than bouillon. That's no chicken and no beef, so it is ish like these and great substitutes and recipes. So I'm actually going to get the chicken one, try it, and we'll see if I get the beef in the future. But I love better than bouillon. I buy the vegetable base often. But I'm gonna give this a whirl, $4.59. So thanks for the idea, Libby and Courtney. And finally, the reason I had to come here, caraway seeds for cabbage and noodle soup. These are $4.59. Okay, well, this is what I got. Any guesses on this total? I don't know how much this is. It does not say. But melting wafers are expensive, so I might try, see how much these are. 21 cents, had to get it. I just got this new fridge, and I'm gonna do like a fridge tour video. So if that's your kind of thing, look forward to it. But guys, I'm so excited to do this, so I had to share it with you in real time. I have not had a garage fridge since we moved in. We had one until it broke very shortly after. But look, last night's leftovers at our dinner tonight. My milk that we're not quite ready to drink yet. I'm not ready to eat this stuff, and look, it can just sit there. I can prep fruits and vegetables. It can go in there. Obviously, I need to get some styrofoam and tape out of here, but I'm so excited. Okay, so our menu for the week, we are having leftovers from last night's dinner. It was the old-fashioned noodle soup that was on last week's meal plan, but I made so much, we have plenty for tonight. We're having spaghetti with meatballs, marinara sauce. I have everything for that on hand. We're gonna have roasted green beans with that. I'm just using frozen green beans. Gonna try something, maybe in the air fryer or in the oven. I haven't decided, we'll see. I'm gonna basically toss in oil, garlic, seasonings. We're gonna have a roast in the crock pot. I'm gonna have that with potatoes and carrots, and we're gonna have that for 2 nights for dinner. I'm also gonna make a crusty bread with that. We're gonna get carry-out pizza on Friday. My kids, as I mentioned, are going back to school this week, so we just thought it would be fun to have like a pizza movie Friday at the end of the week to celebrate them being done on their first week back. And then I'll have salads that I make on the side with that. We're gonna have chicken gravy. I make that in the crock pot as well. I make homemade mashed potatoes, and then I'll have Brussels sprouts. And finally, my husband's request was cabbage and noodle soup. You basically brown onion and bacon, and then you slowly add in cabbage, water, caraway seeds, salt, and pepper. And then I make homemade noodles to go in it, so I'm gonna make that this week. But the red cabbage that I got from Meijer was to make this. I don't have a recipe to link because I got the a Lebanese cookbook. My vegetarian daughter really loves Lebanese flavors. She went to a daycare growing up with a Lebanese woman who made amazing food. Anyways, I want to try to expand my vegetarian offerings, and I'm going to make her this salad. I didn't have the right cabbage, but she loves red cabbage, so I think it'll be fine. And I'm also going to add garbanzo beans to it. So this is what I'm making, but it looks super good to me. I have radishes, I have lemon, I have almost everything except for the cabbage. So we'll see, but parsley, mint, all flavors my daughter loves. And when I showed her this, she said it looked amazing to her. So I'm trying to be mindful of having some really good alternatives for her, starting with this. So that is my meal plan for the week. And if you want to see how I make a crusty bread, you can check out a very old video of mine right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.